Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm here at the Midwest Reprap Festival 2026 in Goshen, Indiana, also known as MRRF. It is Saturday and Sunday, June 16th and 17th, free and open to the public. If you are in the area, stop in and check it out. There's all kinds of cool stuff. I'm going to take you for a quick, exclusive first look at Setup Day right now. Don't look now, but that is the real Sam Prentice. Some crazy stuff, Steve! My big man right here, in the house, repping with Polymaker. The 1 Plus, the I and the X, the 1L, the 1, and even the 4S continuing to be relevant in 2026. But this is what everybody wants to see. I know you're going to be asking me. We'll look at it more tomorrow, but this is a great opportunity to get a good look at it when it's quiet. This is the index system on the Prusa Core 1 Plus. Oh, wait. Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I am here in Building 2, and we are going to visit the architect of the Maker chip. Check it out, 3D printed pinball. Oh, too hard. Polymaker in the house, coming together, looking like something. Steve-O, I see you, I see you, I see you. We saw the man. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. So here's a quick preview of this awesome creation. She is going to attempt to catch the falling rods. Oh, and we're -1 already. -2. -3. -4. Oh, we got 1. We got 2. Fantastic. Well, all right. It's all right. I'll do better later. Here we are at Tripod's garage with the legendary tripod. Rumor has it he's here. It's true. I mean, these days they'll pass off anybody for the real thing, you know? It is. Everything's fake. You can't buy anything.